Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable liquid glass icon on your iPhone iOS 27. Simply just open your settings, general, software update. Make sure to update your iOS 27. I'm already updated my iOS 27. So long press in blank screen, press on this icon, showing it to customize. And I'm get for different default, dark, clear and tint. Make it to clear wallpaper or tint, easily set any color, like I'm select to clear. If you want to make it to your apps bigger or small, as you can see now successfully set up this. If you want to get back default, long press to customize and select to default. That's it.